Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here. So we're going to go for a Ford. First thing you need to do is check the current and the depth. We've already done that. And then what you need to do is select low range on your gear selector, and then you want to be in either first or second gear. Make sure it's clear, and you want to go nice and slowly, but maintain speed so you don't stall. We'll just wait for them to get out of the way. See the bow wave in front, you want to ensure that you don't overtake that. That's going to bounce off the far bank and then gently goes through. Get up the bank and then you're going to stop, give the brakes a nice sharp hit, whack it back into two-wheel drive, and away you go. So thanks very much for watching. Ensure that you like and subscribe. I'm going to do some more obstacle videos on how to use the diff locks correctly. Different scenarios dictate different things with the differential locks, and obviously at that point I use low range. Don't worry if you don't have low range, you can use high range. However, you need to keep the power on, and I'd suggest if you are in high range, you need to make sure that you have constant power on, and you're only in first gear. Second gear would be far too quick. But that's the good thing about low range, you can keep the engine revs up and travel through nice and slow. Yeah, thanks again, see you soon.
That's how deep it is. That's how you take a G-Wagon through. Mind the bow wave, mate. You're going to get your feet wet.